Hi guys, how are you? I think you are doing well. So in this video I am going to show you how can you reset or recover your email address. So there have two type of process. One is your existing email address and another is not existing email address. So next process is not existing email address, who is already have not in your phone. So for this reason you have to go in your email app. From email app you will can see her corner here your profile icon. You have to click her profile icon. After clicking profile icon you have to scroll down and you have to click here add another account and you have to click here Google. Here you have to provide your email address. So I am simply providing my email address who is not existing to my phone. Then you have to click here next. Then they will show you enter your password, but we want to recover, so you have to click here forget password. Then they will show you their various type of process. So here they are showing you get code, get a verification code at number, two type of number. So when you create email address, probably you give phone number. In this phone number they will provide your verification code. So I give this email, this number, last number is 05. So I am clicking on it. After clicking on it, they are saying you this may take a few moments to keep your account safe. So after that you can see they will provided you a verification code through your number which you provided when you create your email address. So it's automatically fill up. You have to click here update password as you forget your password. Then you have to click here create password. You have to provide it here a new password, and then you have to provide it confirm password, and you have to click here save password. That's the way you can change or recover your email address or Google password. So this is today's video, or if you want to skip it you can skip it from here. So I have there you have to click here agree. Then you can see here your email address have been recovered without changing password. So this is today's video. If you have any inquiry related to the video, you can ask me in comment box, and also I provided my Instagram link in description. You can connect with me in my Instagram. Thank you so much.